बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल इंग्लिश स्टडी नोट्स। आज की इस वीडियो में हम सर फ्रांसिस बेकन से रिलेटेड कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस को डिस्कस करेंगे। तो हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, व्हेन वाज फ्रांसिस बेकन बोर्न? एंड द राइट आंसर इज ए, 22 जनवरी 1561। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, in which year did Bacon join Trinity College, Cambridge? And the right answer is B, 1573. Question number 3 है, to which country was Bacon sent as joint secretary in 1576? And the right answer is C, France. Next question है, in 1606 Bacon was married to, and the right answer is D, Alice Branham. Next question है, in which year was Bacon appointed as Solicitor General? And the right answer is A, 1607. Next question है, in which year was Bacon appointed as Attorney General? And the right answer is B, 1613. Next question है, in 1584 Bacon became a member of parliament for, and the right answer is C, Malcolm Regis. Next question है, the name of Bacon's father was, and the right answer is D, Sir Nicholas Bacon. Next question है, Bacon's father was one of the Queen Elizabeths, and the right answer is ministers. Next question है, Bacon died on, and the right answer is B, April 9, 1926. Next question है, Bacon was buried in St. Michael Church, and the right answer is C, St. Albans. Next question है, the advancement of learning is a prose work of Bacon which was published in, and the right answer is D, 1605. Next question है, the New Atlantis, another famous work of Bacon, was published in, and the right answer is B, 1626. Next question है, the Novum Organum was published in, and the right answer is B, 1620. And the next question is, in 1622 another important work was published, the name of which was, and the right answer is History of Henry VII. Next question है, Bacon's nature was cold and impassive. Like the great Napoleon, he was, even in youth, disposed to form friendship and wanting in sympathy with his fellows. Who comments? And the right answer is D, Scone and Gibson. Next question है, which essay is not of Bacon? And the right answer is A, American Scholar. American Scholar was not written by Bacon, and the writer was Ralph Waldo Emerson. Next question है, if parts allude thee, how Bacon shined, the wisest, brightest and meanest of merit. Who comment? And the right answer is B, Pope. Next question है, regarding his philosophical vision, Bacon was deeply influenced by, and the right answer is C, Macaulay. Next question है, falsehood is like alloy in gold and silver. Throw it the basis the metal, make it work the better. In which essay does Bacon point out this fact? And the right answer is D, of truth. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, इन द एसे ऑफ ट्रूथ बेकन यूज्ड अ लैटिन फ्रेज विनम डेमोनम. व्हाट डज इट मीन? एंड द राइट आंसर इज ए, द वाइन ऑफ डेवल्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, इन विच ऐसे बेकन पॉइंट्स आउट रिवेंज इज अ काइंड ऑफ वाइल्ड जस्टिस. एंड द राइट आंसर इज बी, ऑफ रिवेंज. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, द एडिशन ऑफ 1597 contained 10 essays which was dedicated to. And the right answer is C, Bacon's brother Anthony Bacon. And the next question is, Bacon's famous essay of studies belongs to the edition of essays of. And the right answer is 1597. Next question is, Bacon's famous essay of truth belongs to the edition of essays of. And the right answer is A, 1625. Next question है, the first edition of Bacon's essay consisted of only. And the right answer is B, 10 essays. Next question है, the second edition of Bacon's essay consisted of only. And the right answer is C, 38. And the next question is, crafty men condemned studies, simple men admired them, and wise men used them. In which essay does Bacon write it? And the right answer is D, of studies. And next question is, Bacon's style is called. And the right answer is A, aphoristic style. Next question है, which essay is not of Bacon? And the right answer is B, of books. Next question है, who influenced Bacon's political morality? And the right answer is C, Macaulay. Next question है, who was Macaulay? And the right answer is D, Florentine historian and political writer. Next question है, regarding prose style, Bacon was deeply influenced by. And the right answer is A, Cicero. Next question है, who comments the English reader will find difficulties in Bacon's language of style? And the right answer is B, Mr. Wright. Next question है, which feature does not belongs to Bacon? And the right answer is C, vagueness. Next question है, who comments it will be admitted by all that these essays of Bacon's do at least, as he himself says of them, come home to man's business and bosoms. And the right answer is D, crack. Next question है, what is truth? Said Justin Pilate. Who is Pilate? And the right answer is A, Roman governor before whom Christ has condemned by Jews. Next question है, from whom did Bacon borrow the form of the essay? And the right answer is A, Addison. Next question है, who calls the essays of Bacon consuls, civil, moral? Right answer is C, Bacon himself. Next question है, what was the name of the king whom Bacon wanted to please? And the right answer is D, James I. Next question है, my soul has been a stranger in the course of my pilgrimage. Who commented? And the right answer is A, Bacon himself. Next question है, in which essay does Bacon point out men in great place are thrice servants? And the right answer is B, of great place. Next question, who calls the essays of Bacon good advice for Saturn's kingdom? And the right answer is C, Blake. Next question. This is certain of what Bacon says it is true. What Christ says it fall. Who comments? And the right answer is D. Blake. Next question है Bacon often quotes Seneca who was? And the right answer is A. Roman philosopher. Next question है A mixture of lie doth ever add pleasure. In which essay does Bacon comment it? And the right answer is B. Of truth. Next question है Bacon's essays are full of that sort of wisdom which is profitable for the guidance of life. Who comments? And the right answer is correct. Next question is From whom did Bacon adopt the idea of popularizing moral philosophy? And the right answer is D. Montaigne. Next question है Bacon observed and vigilantly, meditated as deeply and judged as temperately when he gave his first work to the world as at the close of his career. Who comments? And the right answer is A. Macaulay. Next question है To which age does Bacon belong? And the right answer is A. 16th century.